So look at this question. The radius of a circle having minimum area. So you have to find out the radius of a circle which will have minimum area, means smaller circle. Okay, if radius will be bigger, circle will become bigger. Okay, now which touches the curve this and this. So your circle should touch both of the curves. Okay, now look at this. If you'll observe this first curve is what? Y equals 4 minus x square. Okay, and the second curve is y equals mod x. Okay, so first we will try to draw a graph of y equals to 4 minus x square. Look at this. So can I go with this curve? Suppose, okay, please manage. So suppose we got this curve. Okay, this is lower opening parabola and it will have roots as -2 and +2. Okay, so you got this curve. Now also mod x. So you know that we will have y equal to x wala graph. Correct? Now if you will replace x with mod, you need to erase negative part and then you have to take image. Correct? Now your circle should touch both of the curve. So can I say that our circle should look like this? Means, look at this. It should be little bit smaller one. देखो तो, is it correct? So your circle is touching both the curves. Okay, now try to simplify things. So can you please tell me this point? It is this curve. So if x is 0, y will become 4. So can I say that it is 0, 4? Okay, now look at this. If we will get the center and the radius, we can simplify question. Now suppose that radius of this purple circle is r. So can I say that this distance will be r? If this distance is r, so what will be this distance? Think about it. What is this distance? This distance is 4. And what is this distance? This is r. So can I say that this part is 4 minus r? Just tell me. Correct? I hope you understood. Okay, I'll erase little bit. Now so x coordinate will be 0. I'll drop this thing some other way. So it is 0 comma 4 minus r. Correct? Now this means you got the center of a circle as 0 comma 4 minus r. Now look at this white line. You know white line is behaving as tangent, and can you please tell me the equation of white line? Yes, it is y equals to x because of this thing. Correct? Now can I write this equation as x minus y equals to 0? Correct? Now what I'll do, I'll try to connect distance of center. Okay, distance of center from line will be equal to radius. Correct or wrong? Correct? So go with it. So it is point satisfaction minus 4 plus r upon root over a square plus b square. So according to us, the distance is this. and the radius is r. Correct? Now what I'll do, I'll go with squaring both sides. So it is a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 8r is equal to 2r square. Correct? Now can I ask everyone to go that side? So we will have r square plus 8r minus 16 equals to 0. Till this part you guys are okay? Now let's simplify for r. So r will become what? Minus b plus or minus root under b square minus 4ac. So 4ac by 2a. Okay. Now can I say it is minus 8 plus or minus 8 root 2 by 2, because here also it is making 64 and here also it is 64. So it is 128. So what is 128? It is 2 times 64. Okay. So 64 can be written as 8 into 8. So 8 will come outside. So the radius will be what? 4 root 2 minus 8 minus 4 root 2 minus 8. Correct? Now you know that radius is a positive quantity. So this thing is not possible. Correct? Okay, it's not 8. It should become 4 now. Yes, you know that it is a negative quantity. Radius cannot be negative. So the value of radius is this thing. Okay, and here, from here only you will have the minimum area wala circle, the radius of minimum area. So you got your radius done. I hope the idea is clear.